Good morning students. Today we have to learn about how can we obtain pure copper sulfate from an impure sample. So first of all, copper sulfate is a solid. Copper sulfate is a solid. So here we have to learn about the purification of solid. So how we purify the solid substances. So there is a one method is for purification of solid, that is a crystallization. With the help of method that is crystallization, we can clear out the solid substances. So what is a crystallization? Crystallization is a process that separate pure solid in the form of its crystal. Is a process that separate a pure solid in the form of its crystals from a solution. Now this method is used to purify the solid. Solid को purify करने के लिए the method which is used is a crystallization. Now here is a activity given for obtaining the pure copper from impure sample. So for explaining this activity, we have to just take a beaker here, add the sample of the impure copper sulfate solution. Now add distilled water here. Now heat this solution with the help of burner. Heat this solution with the help of burner. Now after cooling this solution, we have to filter it. We have to filter it with the help of filter paper. Now again we have to heat this solution up to where? Up to all the water, all the distilled water which we have to add there, it is totally evaporated. जितना वाटर हमने ऐड किया है टोटल इवेपोरेशन हो जब तक नहीं होता तब तक हमें उसको हीट करना है. नाउ इन बीकर आफ्टर evaporation of water which we have add here, only the crystals of copper sulfate is remaining now. Now we have to keep it undisturbed. Okay, leave it undisturbed at room temperature. फिर बाद में हमें उसे undisturbed रखना है at room temperature पे for a day. Now what we observed? We observed a crystal of, that is a pure crystals of the copper sulfate solution. That from this method we get a pure crystals of copper sulfate solution from impure mixture. Okay, now the crystallization method is used to purify the solids. Crystallization method का काम क्या है? To purify the solids. Here one more example is given. The salt we get from sea water. There are many impurities which are present in sea water. So how we get the pure salt? To remove these impurities, the process which is used, it is a crystallization. Which process is used for the getting the pure salt from the sea water? The crystallization method is used. Now the crystallization method is a process that separate a pure solid in the form of its crystal from a solution. Okay, crystallization technique is better than simple evaporation. Listen carefully, crystallization technique is better than the simple evaporation. Simple evaporation से crystallization technique is a better. Okay, now here are the applications for the crystallization, that is a which is better than evaporation. Purification of salt that we get from sea water. First application is purification of salt that we get from the sea water. And second one is a separating of crystals of alum. Separating of crystals of alum. Alum means what? Alum is a fitkari, as we commonly named is a fitkari or turti, like a turti or fitkari it is. Okay, now let's move to here. In cities, drinking water is supplied from the water work. Cities में drinking water कहाँ से आता है? Water work और water storage tank से. Now there is a one figure or flowchart is a given how this dirty water is comes to pure water or clear water. How the dirty water is changes into the pure water. clear water. Here is a flow diagram. Here is flow diagram which is better explaining the dirty water which changes into the clear water. See, there is a reservoir, and here is a sedimentation tank, here is a loading tank, filtration tank, now here is a chlorination chamber, and now last we get a clear water at our home. Now first we collect the water from any nearby river or pond, okay, that is a reservoir. Now this water is come into the sedimentation tank. Now what is the work for sedimentation tank? Sedimentation का काम क्या है? The water which is left here for some hours. Now the impurities in the sedimentation tank, what happened then? The impurities which are heavier, that is the heavier particles are settled down at the बॉटम ऑफ द सेडिमेंटेशन टैंक. सेडिमेंटेशन टैंक के बॉटम में जो हैवी पार्टिकल है, डर्ट पार्टिकल आर सेटल डाउन. नाउ अगेन दिस क्लियर वाटर नाउ देन मूव टू लोडिंग टैंक. हियर ऑल्सो सेम, द लाइटर पार्टिकल विच आर सेटल डाउन, एबल टू सेटल डाउन आर सेटल हियर, एंड देन द क्लियर वाटर नाउ पास टू द फिल्ट्रेशन टैंक. फिल्ट्रेशन टैंक में क्या है? देर आर अ सैंड which are the size of particles is the less. Now there are the core gravel, there are the gravels which are size of this sand particles are more than as compared to the normal sand. Now last there are the layer of gravel, there are the layer of the gravels. Now the filter, it is made of 3 layers. First is the sand, second is gravel, and third is a coarse gravel, that is a bigger size. जो लास्ट में है वो साइज उनका बहुत ही ज़्यादा है. नाउ फर्स्ट द वाटर इज पास्ड इनटू द दैट फाइनर पार्टिकल्स ऑफ सैंड, देन द impurities which are settled down into that particles. Now the clear water will get into this chlorination chamber. So what is the work of this chlorination chamber? The chlorine which is a disinfectant, the chlorine which is a disinfectant is added into that water. Okay, जो हम clear water इधर से आ रहा है, that is from filtration, still it is not completely clear, completely it is not suitable for drinking purpose. जो water हमें filtration से आ रहा है, filtration tank से, still it is having some impurities, okay, that is bacteria or any odor, okay, but into the chlorination chamber we add a chlorine, that is it is a chemical we add. For what we add a chemical? The impurities still remaining, that is a bacteria, microorganisms, smell, odor, okay, it is removed out with the help of addition of chlorine. Now last it is a final type, it is the clear water we get, the water which is potable, which is suitable for drinking purpose. Potable means the water which is suitable for drinking purpose, finally we get from the chlorination tank. Here is all about the purification system in waterworks. Here it is all about purification system of the waterwork. Okay. Now here are the some important questions are given. Now up to this we will finish this chapter second. Now I will also provide the notes on it. Okay, so here we stop.